How to set account alerts via PNC Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to or want to stay on top of your money, well here is how to set account alerts using the PNC Online Banking. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can simply click on the search bar and simply search for PNC Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the PNC Bank. Now here you need to make sure to log in with your account and here once logged in you can just click on the customer service tab and then choose alerts or alert preferences and then pick the alert you want like balance updates, login activity or large transaction. So there you can simply choose how you want to receive alerts, well, by email, text, or push notification. And once you're done choosing that, you can simply click save or confirm to activate your alerts. And that's it. That's how you can activate your PNC alerts. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.